श्री परमहंस दयाल जी सहाय, the incarnation of Krishna, Paramhans Swarupananji, also known as the floating yogi and the yogi master, was born on 1st February 1884 on the day of Basant Panchami. As the name itself suggests, जिनके स्वरूप में ही आनंद है, तो उनके दर्शन करेगा जो भी, वो तो आनंद विभोर हो जाएगा. Since childhood, Paramhans Swarupananji loved being in isolated places to do his sadhana practices. After growing up a little bit, when the kids of his age used to play games outside, he usually goes to the jungle and sit there for hours in a cave to do sadhana practices, forgetting all his hunger and thirst. Sometimes walking barefoot on pointed stones, dried leaves, and mud in the jungle. So when Paramhans Swarupananji met his guru, Paramhans Advaitanandji Maharaj, the seed of sadhana sprouted in his heart. Then, as guided by his guru, Paramhans Swarupananji did intense sadhana for 13 years in the jungles of Agra, and that place is still so vibrant and full of cosmic and positive meditative energies that one can still hear the voice of Harihar, Harihar, Harihar there. During his sadhana practices in Agra, Paramhans Swarupananji sometimes used to eat neem leaves for the physical body's survival. Summers, rains, winters, every season passed. Birds started making nests everywhere around him and sometimes on him. Termite mounds started building there. Wild animals used to visit there. But Paramhansji, he was still sitting, unwavering, in that deep samadhi state. Then the people nearby felt to help him and built a shelter there so that Paramhansji can do the sadhana more effectively and the shelter could protect him from the seasonal rains and all. But the shelter was destroyed every time because of the heavy winds and rains in the jungle. So they thought to request for a solution from Paramhans Advaitanandji Maharaj that such things are happening there. Then, you know what Paramhans Advaitanandji Maharaj replied? He smiled and said, now he doesn't need any shelter. He has attained Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesha's state of enlightenment, wherein he can appear in front of you in any god's form. Like if you worship him as Rama, he'll appear in front of you as Rama. If you worship him as Krishna, he'll appear in front of you as Krishna. If you worship him as Buddha, he'll come in front of you in the form of Buddha. So now he is going to be the shelter of this whole world and will heal the whole world with his vibrations. Once a devotee asked Swami Swarupananji the secret behind the mole on his holy nose. So then Paramhans Swarupananji replied. First he smiled and asked You really want to know? Okay, then close your eyes. The yogi master placed his thumb on the devotee's Agya Chakra, which took him to a deep, deep samadhi state and made him see and hear a beautiful and incredible conversation between the yogi master and Maya, a divine feminine energy. The Maya was requesting the yogi master to keep her with him, as in his every appearance of being an almighty, she was with him. When he was Shiva, she was there with him as Parvati. When he was Vishnu, she was there with him as Lakshmi. When in the form of Ram, she was there with him as Sita. When he appeared in the form of Krishna, she was there with him as Rukmani. Then she requested the yogi master to keep her along with him now as well. First, the master denied her request and said that this time I came into existence only for my souls, to uplift them and help them attain salvation. But she started requesting again and again, and she was being very stubborn. So, after that, Paramhans Swarupananji looked furiously on that divine feminine energy, Maya, and turned her into ashes. But after that, out of compassion, Paramahansji picked a little speck of that ash and put it on his nose as a symbol to fulfill her desire to be with him. क्योंकि माया तो आखिर मायापति की चरणों की दासी ही है ना. So, this is how the great, great yogis come into existence to let their souls attain true happiness. Paramhans Swarupananji attained nirvana at Nangli Sahib, Uttar Pradesh, India, on 9th of April 1936, where a Pujari Mahatma Ji, popularly known as Dr. Monk, is still serving him even today with utmost devotion and dedication. Once, Paramhans Swarupananji said, I will appear in front of very, very few people and rare people who are really pure-hearted, humble, and true seekers. So today, if you are listening to this audio, you got this opportunity, this golden opportunity, you are one of those blessed ones. क्योंकि पूर्ण गुरु का दर्शन करने के लिए देवी देवता भी तरसते हैं. उनके दर्शन की एक झलक से सारे के सारे पाप नष्ट हो जाते हैं, जन्म मरण का चक्कर खत्म हो जाता है. So lucky are those who got a chance to do the glorious darshan of Paramhans Swarupananji. So let's sing together. Darshan, darshan, darshan tera hai Satguru, पुण्यों का धाम है. दर्शन तेरा है सतगुरु, पुण्यों का धाम है. एक बार जो करे वो होता पूर्ण काम है. दर्शन तेरा है सतगुरु। धुलती मलिनता सभी मिट जाते, सकल पाप मिट जाते, सकल पाप। दर्शन के पुण्य तीर्थ का ऐसा महाप्रताप, ऐसा महाप्रताप। होता है शुद्ध निर्मल मन, होता है शुद्ध निर्मल मन। करता स्नान है एक बार जो करे वो, होता पूरन काम है। दर्शन तेरा है सतगुरु। श्री परमहंस दयाल जी महाराज की जय।